What up, guys? It's Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and we back at it again. We're out here in Santa Rosa, California, and these are the type of jobs you guys would get if you guys were just starting your junk removal business. I had a phone call from a lady last week. Her sister passed away. The first thing I told her was, I'm sorry about your loss. Then we set up a time to come by and do a free estimate, guys. So these are really, really good jobs to get. It's a lot of stuff you guys can donate. So the first thing I'll do, guys, is the day before, I'll stop by our local grocery store. It's a Costco, it's a big store, and I'll go in there and get free boxes, guys. I don't pay for boxes, I'll get free boxes. Then I'll stop at the magazine stand where they give free magazines, and I'll grab a bunch of magazines, guys. Because at these type of jobs, there'll be a lot of stuff you guys can donate. So that's what you guys want to do. Donate as much as possible and save on the dump fees, guys. So it's going to be me and JoJo today, so stay tuned, guys. So the JoJo's going to give you guys the inside scoop what we're doing today. JoJo, what are we doing today?
Well, we're going to clean a house out where the lady that called us had lost her sister. So she's in charge of like cleaning her sister's property up and getting rid of things. And so when we first get there, I'll start probably in the kitchen because there's a lot of stuff that's not really ready to get hauled away. We told the lady that we would help her, and so we're going to be going through cabinets and putting stuff together to like put in the donation. So we're going to have a bigger donation pile than we have a garbage pile today.
That's what I'm talking about. Save on the dump fee and go the extra mile, guys. The lady asked us if we can help her with the cabinets, pulling the dishes out, and that's something we'll do, guys. So that's not a problem. We'll take what, an extra 20 minutes out of our day, and it's nothing. What should I say about that, JoJo?
Well, it'll be helpful for her because it's probably hard for her to go through her sister's stuff.
Oh yeah, definitely, guys. So you guys will get jobs like this. They're good jobs, they're good paying jobs, and just when you guys show up there, just be a good person. Don't go in there and start dumping stuff in the trailer, breaking stuff. Just go in there and just treat it like it's your stuff, guys. What should I say about that, JoJo?
That's really good advice. I like that a lot.
All right, we're heading out, guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna show you what we do. So we just arrived to the property, and the thing you guys always want to do is make sure you guys always show up to these properties 10 minutes early. 10 minutes early is on time. Make that a habit, guys, because you don't want people waiting around on you guys to show up. So 10 minutes is early, guys. We just showed up to the property. It is 7:50 right now. So yeah, we're here. JoJo's gonna back me up, and we're gonna get it done. So this is where I'm starting at, guys. If you can see, most of it's all donatable stuff. So I'll hit up the local Goodwill and drop off as much as possible to make our dump fees as low as possible. So this is where I'm starting at. JoJo will start inside the house. So we're fitting to get it done, guys. Doing right now is I'm putting all the garbage in the back, and everything we can donate in last, guys. That's what you want to do. Garbage in the back, donations in the front. So all this stuff in the front is all donatable stuff, guys. That's what you want to do. All the stuff that the Goodwill will take, and everything in the very back there is all garbage and metal on the top. So paints and chemicals we do not accept, guys. We'll leave this behind. And everything in this room right here is pretty much donatable. The rugs, that, sofa, little coffee table, chair, and all this other stuff, guys. So what are you doing, JoJo?
Well, we went in the kitchen and went through the cupboards and wrapped the things that we're going to take to the donation center.
Because we like to give back, guys. That's what we do at Sonoma Strong Hauling. Oh yeah.
So we have a lot of stuff we could donate.
Yeah. So the first load is done, guys. Time to go donate and hit the landfill. It's about 8 o'clock, guys. No, it's about 9 o'clock. So one thing we always do, guys, is we donate as much as possible. That will save us around probably, I say, $40 to $60 on dump fees. If we went straight to the landfill with it, we'll be losing cash, guys, and it's always good to give back. So we're at the Goodwill right now. It's about, what, 5 minutes from the dumps? So we're gonna donate stuff and lighten up our load, guys. So yeah, that's where we're at, the Goodwill. So JoJo, prediction of the dump fee. Keep in mind, we donated about 70% of the stuff that was in the load, guys. So I think it's gonna be the minimum. What's your prediction?
What's the minimum again?
$44.
50.
You gonna say 50?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens, guys. And earlier we weren't able to film inside the house that much. I'll try to film this next round just because the people are there and I'm not trying to make it weird, guys. I'm trying to keep it professional, but I'm still trying to help you guys out with this information. So stay tuned and we'll see who wins the bid or wins the prediction. So the JoJo one, guys, is $62. So we're heading back. You always want to have a game plan, guys. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna get back to the house and everything that's garbage is gonna go in first. Whatever dressers are particle board is gonna go in to the garbage load because the donation center won't take nothing particle board, and then all of the donations are gonna be going in last, guys. And if you ever want to keep some for yourself, put that in last, guys. There's a bike over there I'm gonna bring back and sell. And there's also some inside the house that JoJo wants to keep to decorate the house.
Yeah, there's a couple of really cute things I've seen. Yeah.
So yeah, there is perks in doing junk removal, guys. You come across really cool stuff, and most stuff we donated, a couple of things that we're gonna keep. But yes, it's part of the job, guys. So we're heading over there right now. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, one more thing, guys. Don't be like JoJo. See this? She ain't wearing a uniform. You guys always want to make sure you guys wear your uniforms whenever you guys show up to these jobs. But she went to the club last night and she lost her t-shirt. So I'm still getting over that right now. So we're pulling up to the job right now, guys. Always wear your uniforms. That's a must, must, must. See how I look so professional? See how she looks like she just
Not
hung
professional.
over from the club? Yeah, guys. Make sure you guys wear your uniforms. So I'm pulling up to the job right now. So round number 2, we're back at it again. And all this stuff over here needs to go. Metal, metal, more metal. I love metal. And there's some more stuff in the very back. Look at JoJo. Need help with that? I got you. And this fountain back over here needs to go too, guys. So round 2 is done. I'm over here with the JoJo. And we're getting coffeeed up, guys. We're going to Dutch Brothers. How you like their coffee at Dutch Brothers?
It's good coffee.
It's really good coffee, guys. So this job turned into be 3 full loads. So we're gonna go get some coffee at Dutch Brothers. What kind is it? The Americano?
Yeah.
Has like 3 shots in it, guys. So we're really gonna get juiced up. So this next round, you guys will see us go cray-cray on the job. So stay tuned. So if you wanna run around like a chicken with his head cut off, this is the one, guys, right here. Prediction of the dump fee. There's some concrete back there too, remember that.
55.
$55, I'm gonna say $61, guys. I'm trying to win, because I'm a winner.
No.
Whatever. So with $66, I won. It feels good being a winner. Feels really good being a winner. Oh yeah. So the JoJo has the tip of the day, guys. What we have her do all the time before I back up is what, JoJo?
So I get out and I look in the direction of where we'll be pulling up and where we'll be pulling back to make sure that we don't find a bunch of these everywhere, because they end up in your tires. And generally I'll find anywhere between 3 and 12 each time.
So keep that in mind, guys. It only takes a minute to save a flat. So have someone hop out if you're with someone and just have them check real quick, and it might save you guys some time in a flat tire. And that's the tip of the day, guys, from the JoJo, the JoJolina. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a little bit of extra cash when you got jobs. Keep your eyes open, guys. So check this out. This will be sold for 50 bucks, 75 bucks. Bam. This Trek right here, guys, will be sold for 50 bucks real quick. And then inside the house, guys, check it out. That's how you make extra cash. Keep your eyes open, guys. We donate a lot, but then we like to make the extra cash too. So let me show you guys what's in the house real quick. So we're at about $100 to $125 extra right there. And then there is also more stuff in the house that will bring us cash. So I always sell dressers fast, guys. So dressers, like this dresser right here, bam, goes with that dresser right there, bam, goes with that little dress right there, bam. That's a little set, guys. It's 150 bucks. Fast, easy cash. So keep your eyes open, guys, and make that money. Now we're getting ready to get round number 3 done. We're getting cash.
So this is one of the pluses about junk removal, as this is beautiful and I want to keep it. I want to put a TV on it.
You want to put the TV on it?
Yes.
Oh, nice. So the third load is done, guys. And I'm gonna tell you guys how to make money when you're in the dump line. When you guys get these good items, post them online while you guys are in the dump line for a cheap price. Like on Facebook Market, you can post it on there for cheap price for like whatever it is, 100, 150 bucks. And then put no holds on the description so people know you're not holding it for them. And right now we just got home and I got someone coming over to pick up the 3 dressers. And we sold it like that, guys. So post it on Facebook Market. It's an easy platform to post on. Put no holds in the description, guys, and get paid before you get home so you ain't gotta bring the stuff inside. So the person's gonna be happy because they're getting it for a cheap price, and I'm happy because I got money in my pocket. What do you want them to do, JoJo?
Oh, hit the like button and subscribe.
And if you guys like this, please hit that subscribe button, guys. Hope you guys learned a lot today, and we're done. You done?
I'm done.
She's whooped. Oh yeah, we're getting money.